Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your Snapchat account. So first things first, go to your Snapchat. Then, right on the top left, click on your profile icon. After you click on your profile icon, this menu will show up. You will have to click on the right top, on the geared icon, that will open up settings. In settings, you just scroll down, and almost at the bottom there will be option delete account. As you can see, click on that. Web browser. Then on the web browser you'll need to log in into your Snapchat account. So let me just quickly do that. Click here on cookies. We don't care about that. So after you put in your info, you will see this screen. Don't forget to read everything. It basically says that the account will be just suspended for 30 days now, and you can recover your account within those 30 days. You just input your password again, and as you can see, account deactivated. If you don't log in into your Snapchat account for more than 30 days after this, the account will be deleted. That's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments, and I'll try to answer all of them. Thank you for watching and have a good one.